I remember those days when you go to work.
that's not an investment. Yeah, it's not that. No. I don't want a massive mirror. That mirror is that's full. That mirror is taking more pictures. Yeah, get brave. But actually, this round. It's like the mirror we've got in the garden. Yeah. This is a radius. It's a pointless mirror. I didn't buy it for practicality.
Guarda che se mi ha dicho che ti vedo jamás
The chess at Chalmers.
That chess set.
We're in the ramp.
Oh my god, the chess set. Once I I'm gonna find my car. Ask the people, you just sell it to them, track it down, buy it.
I'm like, is yours like a first?
Don't say that.
Already made it into a gym and a
You know how to play it.
See what she wants to get.
You know how to play chess? Teach you how to play chess. Yeah, that's cool. That's what
Everyone get it.
everyone get it. Everyone bug out there.
Play on the mode online, like today.
So for them, that's my language. So that people can look at my poetry. I do have a mirror.
It was an inside one.
I've got my coat hanger on the back, innit? So my coat, my jacket's inside my room. You spoke to Sean today. Chess up, chess over. So like if I buy a chess table and I buy like 2 cushions, you sit on the cushion on the chess. The chess table is like that high. It's like a little coffee table.
I guess what I was trying to do.
Because I'd rather have that. If I use that as a coffee table as well. I don't know my chess. Yeah, I don't want my chess board to stay. So he has the top on the slide.
I don't know. The second you do it, but
That's what I was screaming. We'll have a break, so 12:30 from 2:30 till 5:30. We're not going to watch it. So you can,
Oh, we check the middle.
so you can speak to us at that time.
Don't come out.
Oh wait, do you know what way Chelsea's got that
I'm
on?
going to be about, it's now about man, I'm going straight to the pub, mate. That's what I'm going to No, the last game's at 8 o'clock. It sounds like you go and get
Yeah, when I don't work the next day.
when you have
I can afford to have these off as long as you're.
Oh, actually, I've never had it.
Get yours.
Excuse me, sir. Trying to get a little bit of help, please. Trying to get off. Thank you.
Ella was like, yeah, do what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hand back in.
And this is again, this is the comedy club. Which one this one? Which
There's nothing on the wall. There is. Right, you tell me
It's so good. And then
I should invest in more or I could just buy my own home. But like, if I should spend the same amount of money investing, I'd rather buy my own home.
Get to a hill and get on the bike and go.
Exactly, that's exactly where I'm at.
We only need to be 16.
The way you work, but I never get to appreciate it. One day my eyes the second I get
I enjoy that.
by the time I get to
Oh, I love my days.
yeah, but I come from this way. So I go like down one side of you know the one they make? I go straight up this way again. Go on that. It hurts my fingers.
So when you come out the house, which way do you go? Go down this.
You record a bit when you know what to do it. Maybe
I would just get onto the main
Oh,
road
mate.
and just use that bit to go like a bit
No.
And there's a four-way.
well, wait for the steering. Yeah, just wait for the make sure you stop.
I'm going to go and have a look in that wide-eyed place, brother. I was very violent. Like miles back.
I won't give in for cross-examination. I didn't talk about that.
Well, a customer airdropped it to them.
I looked into it and it's like that. And that was like, yeah. Someone broke my car.
People need wait.
I don't know. I'm not seeing there's an issue with the toilet.
I did a fake photo and I saw it, but changed it around.
Sometimes, if it's a random, I'll go.
That's so I guarantee it.
I don't like chatting to my barber. Like my barber's
He doesn't speak to me the whole time. It's a nice little.
my barber's the ends. I don't chat to him. She says, yeah, you're right. When I got my haircut, by the lady,
Yeah.
oh, we had a long chat. That was like just before we get to sleep. I was before like when Mexico was possible to do. I was like arguing about the whole time.
I do usually, but they're actually Cinderella.
Yeah, so I want them out.
They're like, they can't
I didn't actually, that didn't tell me that.
And now it's got
Okay, so
I don't know, it was posted. It was 60%. It was like, I think they did it. It was a stick. They're just laying down like that.
She was just like that big, like that.
I remember the video. She was like, she was like, oh, she literally said that.
Held out for long enough.
ones that I like.
The other.
I don't like.
I enjoy that.
Oh, I love my data. Yeah, but I come from this way. If I go like down one side of it, you know the one they make? I go straight up this way. So on that. It hurts my fingers.
So when you come out the house, which way do you go? Go down.
Yeah, you record a bit when you know what to do it. You can make me out cement.
I would just literally get onto the main
Oh,
road
mate.
and just cruise down, literally go like busy amount of miles.
And there's a four-way.
Well, wait for the steering. Make sure you stop.
Yeah, they got all the job with that.
I'm going to go and have a look in that wide-eyed place, brother.